December began alone in reflection. Trips to Piha, named in reference to the patterns of the waves separating as they hit Lion Rock. Maori Bay, home of the gannets, spending time on foot as the ocean falls into a period of rest. I narrow my focus and steady my gaze. The slackline replaced the surfboard while the sun continued to shine. A unique sensation, internalizing all thoughts and activating one's core balance and imagination. Mother Nature took a short breath and exhaled towards an easterly pulse, resulting in overhead waves to break off the east coast, offering rides of a lifetime to many of those who ventured out. A rocky headland splitting the swell in two, and another that groomed it into a dream left-hand point break. As a goofy footer, those are the days you dream about. The most powerful force in the world, provider of such natural beauty and pleasure, responsible for sustaining life on Earth. If we could ask the ocean how it feels, I wonder what it would say. I'd hope thankful for the many that do their part, and encouraging to those who can help reverse the damage. It's the only one we've got, and we can't live without it. Celebration is in the air, for we are gifted with west coastlines. These days you remember forever, for moments like these don't come around very often. All the right conditions to brew up a storm. How deeply fortunate I am to call this dreamland my home, to be able to share it with friends and family, and continue finding new perspectives. Final days of the year upon us, a trip to Raglan would provide the closing ceremony for what was one of the best. Late evening and early morning sessions spent looking down the line for world-class left with friends and family there for the ride. Time spent in seclusion enables me to cherish time with others as equals, rather than dependencies for my fulfillment. December gifted me a chance to enjoy both in abundance.